Are you currently using YouTube for your business, or do you want to start using YouTube for your business? Then make sure you stay tuned and watch these 8 tips that I'm going to give you how to promote your business on YouTube, specifically YouTube. Hey you, I am so glad to see you again. This is the final and 4th video of the series that we did all about promoting your business on social media, which the first video we focused all on just social media, then we went into Instagram, and then we went to Facebook, and now YouTube. So I'm curious, this is like the first time I've ever done a series, so what are your thoughts? Was it interesting for you? Was it easy for you to follow along? Did you learn a lot? Was it helpful for your business? Let me know. And if you're new here, hi there, my name is christinaspohr, and I love helping small business owners and affiliate marketers build their business online. I don't want to take you away from your current business, but show you how to build that business online utilizing tools and resources that I use. So if you want to learn how to do that, make sure to click the link down below because you can get private coaching from me, or just join the team and use all the tools, and you don't even have to talk to me if you don't want to. But it'd be nice to, because I'd love to get to know you. So with that being said, let's move on to the 8 ways you can promote your business on YouTube. The first great way you can promote your business on YouTube is to use thumbnails. I am sure you've seen them because it's every video that's on YouTube is that little picture that you see, which you click on to go watch it. Now, some you may see don't have anything on it and some do. Ask yourself, I'm curious, what is more attractive to you? Is it more attractive for you to see say, this is the video I'm doing and it's just the thumbnail, like you would just see me? Personally, I don't think it's very eye-catching. Like when I scroll through it myself, I don't necessarily click on videos that don't tell me anything but the thumbnail, because the words, I actually scroll over those sometimes. I look at the thumbnails for the information, which is very interesting. Because I realized I did that. I was like, so I should make my thumbnails really catchy. Yeah. So I started doing that because you can see like the old videos I did and I didn't really put thumbnails in it. And then the new ones I really started. I mean, yeah, let me know what you think about the new thumbnails. I don't know if I went too overboard on it, but it's fun to do. If you're wondering how to do thumbnails for your video, I like to use Canva. In the previous videos I have talked about Canva, and I love to use Canva for everything pretty much. You can customize the dimensions, you can have done for you templates, change the colors, all that sorts of stuff. And most of the features you can do is for free. And when I did upgrade, it was perfect for, what I wanted it for, because it's like there's certain things I wanted because I love the images in there and using it, and I love the like the transparency of it. When you download it, the transparency design, and there's other things like, say you do one image but you want to like duplicate it, you can't duplicate it and resize it, only in like the premium version. So there's certain things that are beneficial, but otherwise, if you don't want to pay for it, you can pretty much do a lot of things like create your thumbnail for free and get started, especially if you're just starting out with YouTube videos. Now, if you want to learn more about like Canva and want me to do tutorials on how to customize, say, your YouTube banner or your Facebook banner, or maybe add, unique content to your profile, let me know and I can actually make a tutorial and show you how to customize, do all that cool, unique stuff that's hidden in Canva. Leave it in the comments below. So the second way I recommend to promote your business on YouTube, and I think is a great way to, is by adding links in the descriptions. And I'm sure you've seen this, but I have seen some people that don't actually utilize it, because like when you're scrolling through it, let me be more specific, not just adding links, but adding it to like the first part of the description. Because when you're scrolling through, think about on YouTube, you'll actually see the video and see within the first couple lines, you'll see a URL that's actually clickable, which is really cool that YouTube does that. So you can actually utilize that to send people to more information at the end of the video, because at the end of the video you want to have like a call to action, which that's for like a whole nother video, which I'll explain because I'm getting ahead of it. That's like video, like creating the videos. Let's get back on promoting. Yeah, I'll do another video for you on that one. So not only can you just add links like in the first part right there, you can add a bunch of your links. So if you look at my description, I actually put in all the tools and resources I use and I talk about in the video. That way you can actually access them easily if you need to, so you don't have to figure out how to type it in or if that's the correct spelling of the name. You can just click it and go to it. So the third way that you can promote your business on YouTube is customize your YouTube channel. And by that I mean add, you know, a nice header shot of yourself. That way it's like a person doing it. It's not necessarily something random that doesn't really explain what the channel is. Another thing you can do is add a banner, and a banner is a great way to highlight what the channel is about and if you want them to be doing something, like if you want to direct them to click a link, which is the other thing I want to tell you, is you can edit and customize links, which is up on the corner of the banner, and it's like at the bottom of the page, and just like hit edit, and you can add your website, you can add, if you want to add products, you can. Honestly, if you've watched my videos before, I've told you I don't think it's a great idea to promote on the front end personally, from what I've learned, because if you do, then people can actually click on it and then decide later to go, I'm going to go review it. I'm not going to necessarily buy it right now. And then what if they review it and they don't buy it from you? You would never know. So I personally like to do like an email list, so you subscribe or join the group before you get any information or anything from me about joining my team or buying anything from me. So think about that for your business, because if you just put it out there and put your product information, what's for them to not like go sign up for someone else? Because what if you give like a really good tip and then put it down there and they're like, no, I don't want to do it. But what if you did it and you're like, download my resources, and they put in their email, and then you continuously follow up with them? Okay, but I'm getting off tangent again. Back to YouTube, because that's about email lists. That's a whole nother video for you if you want one, if you want to know about email lists. So yeah, make sure your channel, like when you're customizing it, just that it's when someone clicks on it, it's like, oh, okay, I know what they're doing. I know what kind of videos they're doing. I know that they can help me. I know that this is, you know. And I also like to edit, like I said, my banners in Canva. The fourth way you can promote your business on YouTube is by creating playlists. Now, if you don't know what playlists are, these are basically videos that you can put together that are all in one topic and everyone can watch. Or you can be like, all your videos that you watch, be like, all my videos or the latest videos. Because like I'll have a bunch of different playlists for different things. Like certain ones will be just for Facebook. Certain ones will be for social media, which will incorporate all those. Some will be, I'll have one like my latest video. So all my videos are on there. So you can do playlists for different things and actually share those lists so everything is together. The fifth way you can promote your business on YouTube is adding cards. Now, if you don't know what cards is, cards are that little thing that pops up on the video where it's like, you know, more information, learn here, and you can like click it and it goes to another video. That's what the card is. And you can edit that in the videos. Now, once you publish it, you can go back and edit it as well. So don't worry about it. If you published a video and you want to go back and add cards to your video, you can totally go do that if you already have videos out. If not, do it during the uploading process. Go in and add links to old videos done, so you're promoting, you know, old videos and letting people know you have more information for them to learn. The sixth way you can promote your business on YouTube is promote your video. Because when you do your video, you're going to want to promote it and get more eyeballs and viewers to it, because that's actually what's appealing to your audience to buy from you, not just making the video and then no one sees it. It's not going to be excuse me. To drink some tea. What were we talking about? Sorry, I got sidetracked from that. Yeah, so you just want to promote your video when you're done so you can bring more interested people looking at it. So ways to promote it. You can go to Facebook and promote it. You can go to Instagram and promote it. You can go to, by Instagram, I mean putting like the link in the bio section, because you can't upload like a 20-minute video to there. You can share it on Pinterest. You can share it on Twitter. Now, you can actually go in manually and share it, or underneath the video, it just has a share icon. So you can just hit share and then share it to all your channels, which is very cool as well. Of course, what I like to do with my videos is I like to take a little clip of it. So like this whole video you're watching, you were watching it either on my blog or you're watching it on YouTube. And on my social media channels like Instagram and Facebook, I actually do a short little clip and I'll upload it specifically to the platform, which if you didn't watch 8 Ways to Promote on Facebook, I explain about uploading videos to Facebook and why you should do that. So if you want to learn about that, make sure to watch that video. So when you're sharing it, I like to upload just a short little clip, and then at the bottom be like, make sure to watch the full video, learn all 8 tips, go to, over here, and I'll put the link to my website or the YouTube channel. And I will say, I used to be nervous about like sharing stuff like that because I was like, gosh, I'm gonna be so repetitive. If I do a video here and then share it on my fan page and then share it on my Instagram, I'm gonna be so repetitive. And it's like, well, how likely is it that everyone saw it? I mean, there's a lot of people on there, especially a lot of people are following different people. So what if you posted something and they missed it in the newsfeed, and then you posted the other one, they're following you there and they saw it in the newsfeed. So if you post it in different ways to each platform, then it's not being repetitive. So like, for instance, I'll give you just an example. I'll upload it to my fan page on Facebook, just a short little clip, but then I will like share it on my story on my personal profile, but not like on my wall. That way it's not like bombarding it. Every once in a while I'll be like, hey, I just made a new video, come over. Otherwise I keep that more personal. I explain that also in the other video that I did on promoting on Facebook. And then I'll do Instagram TV, which is really cool because you can put links in the description. Now, if you want to know about that, watch the other one that I taught 8 ways to promote on Instagram, which is really cool because I just started using Instagram TV and it makes a huge difference. It's brought a lot of viewers over to my site just from that. So, but let's go back to YouTube. Basically what we're talking about is share your content, and don't be shy to. Just be like, it's here. Put it out there. Just have that F it mentality. Like, I'm gonna do it no matter what. So the 7th thing you can do to promote your business on YouTube is make your video interesting. Cut and edit it. Make it something that is appealing to look at. So like with my videos, I like to put up certain pictures, or I like to put out text on certain things I'm talking about. So say get distracted for a second and then you look back and you see those words pop up, you're like, oh wait, I want to learn about this topic or something like that. That way you can stay focused, because personally, if just staring at the screen talking, sometimes I get bored. Like, I'll look away. But if there's something like entertaining or someone's moving around, I get more entertained by it, because that's maybe how I am, because I move around a lot. If you can see, I like talk with my hands. I'm like, ah. If you were actually here in the room, I'd like whap you on accident. No, I'm just kidding. I don't do that. Now, I will say, when I'm making my videos, a great platform I like to use is Screencast-O-Matic. It is actually free. The only thing about the free version is it has like the little watermark on it, so you can upgrade, but it's only like $1.50 a month, I think it is. It's super affordable. And it has editing in there as well, and that's how I do all of that right now, and it works perfect for everything. It works perfect for the videos and what I'm doing. So if you don't want to spend a lot on an editor right now, or you want something that is easy to record your videos, Screencast-O-Matic is the place to do it. I'll leave the link for you down in the description below. The 8th way you can promote your business on YouTube is using keywords. Now, you may have heard of this before, but this is all related to SEO, search engine optimization. And if you're not quite sure what SEO is, basically this is how, if you use certain words in your text or use certain tags, then it gets ranked in the search engine. So let's say you're going to YouTube and you type in, how to promote my business on YouTube. Can I promote my business on YouTube? Best ways to promote my business on YouTube. You type those keywords in, then this video will most likely pop up for you if I did my job on ranking it correctly. And that is what keywords do. So you want to use similar like tags and stuff to get it ranked. Now, of course, there's a whole nother process to it. If you want to learn how to rank videos and do that kind of stuff, click the link in the description, register your account at my website, and then you'll learn how to get access to certain tools and videos that show you just what you need to know to do that. So, with that being said, those are the 8 ways you can promote your business on YouTube. I'm curious, I want to hear from you. What do you think is a great way to promote your business on YouTube? What do you think, which one of these tips do you think will help you the most? And don't forget to like this video and share this with other business owners who could use this information in their business, especially if they're on YouTube or they're just starting out or want to get on YouTube, putting the feelers out there, want to know, like, should I promote on YouTube? Should I not? Like, all right, well, that concludes our 4-part video series that we did all about promoting on social media. What did you think? Did you like the series? Did you learn about Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube? Was there something new? Did that help your business? I would love to hear your thoughts. And I'm so glad you watched. And if you are still here and you actually want to learn more ways to grow your current business online, or you're just starting out and don't actually have a business, don't worry. I have training for you and you can learn just how to build your current business as well as starting out. So click the link below and I will be seeing you and talking to you very soon.